So then guys, most AI tools today either generate something fast or they make something look polished, but rarely both. You either get speed with no control or control that takes forever. But today I've been testing something that actually fixes that problem. This is Gamma, powered by a new Gemini model that you probably heard of called Nano Banana. And it's designed to let you generate, refine, and actually finish real content in minutes. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works by building a full presentation about the iPhone 17 Pro Max live here on camera, then turning that same idea into socials and even saying possibly publicizing it into websites without needing to start all over again. Now, before we go on further, a lot of you have been asking how I've been making some of those recent comparison visuals, especially in the videos like the new MacBook Pros, the new MacBook Air, and even the MacBook Neo. And I've actually been using Gamma to build a lot of those decks and visuals behind the scenes. That is exactly why I wanted to show you this properly in a dedicated video today. Now, if you've never heard of Gamma before, basically it's an AI-first workspace for creating presentations, social carousels, and websites. Instead of opening up, say, PowerPoint or Google Slides and staring at a blank screen, you just start with an idea in your head, and Gamma builds the structure, the visuals, and the story for you. And now with Nano Banana integrated directly inside Gamma, generation is faster, smarter, and more polished than ever. But the real secret here is something called Studio Mode, because instead of just typing out a prompt and hoping for the best, Studio Mode lets you configure everything before Gamma generates anything. You can set your audience, your tone, your slide count, and your visuals, and that's what makes it feel less like a generator and more like a real creative tool. So let's actually build something real. I'm going to click Generate with the AI and choose Studio Mode. And now I'll type a prompt in here saying, create a presentation explaining why the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the best iPhone ever, covering design, performance, camera, battery, and AI features. There we go, all typed out. Now, before generating, I can configure everything properly. I can choose, what kind of style I want this to be. I can choose how many slide decks I want. I want it to be about 10 here. And visually, I want it to be clean, Apple-inspired style. And obviously, I've clicked everything I want. Now I hit generate, and this is where Nano Banana kicks in. Instead of taking 10 minutes like some AI tools, this takes around 2 minutes to build a full presentation. And just like that, it's done. Now, right away, you can see this looks like a proper keynote style presentation. We've got a clean title slide introducing the iPhone 17 Pro Max, then a design slide. It's talking about the titanium frame here. Obviously, it is aluminum with the 17 Pro Max, but that's the point. I can go back and correct this later. It's also talking about slimmer bezels and overall the premium look. Next, we've also got things talking about the new A19 Pro chip with the faster CPU performance, stronger graphics, and improved efficiencies. Then the camera system, the upgrades we've got there with improved sensors, better low light performance, and smarter photography. Then there's also the battery side, explaining how the larger battery combined with efficiency and everything like that. And then finally, AI features powered by Apple Intelligence, bringing smarter photo editing. And what's impressive here is that it isn't just text, it's structured, it's visual, and it actually feels ready to present. Even though I might just have to do a few little tweaks here and there, the main basis is all here. And the great thing is I don't have to regenerate everything if I just want to make a small change. So for example, let's do a little bit of a change right here. So let's say this telephoto camera here. Obviously, we know with the new iPhone that we can go up to an 8x zoom. And I think that mountain is a little bit, not as close as it should be. We should be zoomed in a little bit more. So I can actually put that here and actually change that and say, just regenerate that part. Just regenerate that picture. And there we go. It's completed. And now what's happened is that we've actually got a closer picture. And this is what makes Gamma feel like a real workflow, not just a generator. But after this, here's where the real magic part starts. I can take this exact same project and repurpose it instantly. I can, for example, choose it to be socials, and now Gamma converts this same presentation into social media carousel format. Same story, very similar visuals, same style, but optimized for social media. And it doesn't just stop there. I can even publish this whole presentation like a website. With one click, turn this into a clean, shareable page. So now, from one idea, I've created a full presentation, a social carousel, and a website, all within minutes. And this, to me, is why Gamma is such a powerful tool for creators, because instead of rebuilding the same content over and over again with different platforms, Gamma just keeps everything consistent here and connected. You generate it once, refine it, do the little tweaks that you need to do, and then you can reuse that. And it's also that it's super fast with its fast generation, and it's also something that you can actually use. So if you want to try this out for yourself, you can check it out at the Gamma.app website. So try that out with Nano Banana in Gamma and see what you can create in just a few minutes. Generate a deck, refine it, export it, and ship it. That's Gamma. And if you, like I said, want to check it out, all the details will be in the description below. And on that note as well, guys, have you decided that you want to make a new presentation anytime soon or a new website? Well, let me know, because I suggest that you try using Gamma, and I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments as well. And on that note as well, guys, if you've enjoyed watching this video, please do press the like button. As always, if you want to hear the latest technology news, reviews, and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye-bye.